Hey guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Twitter username. You have to just go to the Twitter mobile application here. So I will just search here Twitter, and after that you have to go to your top left side corner, that is a profile icon, and after doing it you have to click on you need to go to the profile. You have to click on setting and support, then just go to the setting and privacy, then you have to click on your account. After that, click on account information, and here you will find your username. Okay, so just click on here, and that's it guys. Here you can change your username. After changing a username, if it is available, then it's great, and after that click on down, which is on bottom right side corner. Okay, and after that your username will be completely changed. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really interesting and helpful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.